In your Google Plus page, there's a tab called Hot Topics under the Explore option at the top. You can use this to find out what's trending in your category, and it's a great idea or a great way to get ideas for fresh posts. Another way you can get ideas or build up a community is by joining communities. This way, if you're just starting out and you only have a handful of followers or maybe just 100 followers, you join a community and then you get to contribute articles to could be thousands of members. And you can look for relevant communities at plus.google.com/communities. Every time you post on Google Plus, it's going to operate like a blog post, and Google will display the first few words or the first few sentences. So I would give a lot more thought to your headlines and the first few sentences you use in your posts. You also get an individual URL for all your posts so that you can share them elsewhere or you can link back to them.
Fun fact of the day, URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Enjoy that. By the way, URL, just in case you're not familiar with the term or the acronym, it just means web address. It's just another name for a link. So it's the www.whatever.com.
Google Plus posts are also more interactive than Facebook posts or most of the other social media networks. You can choose from a list of over 100 call to action buttons to put into your posts. Google claims that these type of posts, ones with the call to action button or the interactive posts as they call them, have 3 times the click-through rate of normal posts, meaning posts without interactive buttons. And I have a link from Dijon SEO, which will show you how to set up the interactive posts. It's actually very similar to setting up the Google login button, which I'm going to show you how to do in a second. It's just a matter of downloading a WordPress plugin, creating a new app over at the Google developer site, and then inserting some numbers into the plugin. But check out the link, and he breaks it down step by step. It makes it really easy to understand. And then there's something similar to the like box, but this is for Google Plus, and it allows you to add a Add to Circles button, but it's sometimes called the Google Badge button. And it's really cool, as you can see here in the screenshot. You can customize it based on whatever photo represents your brand or your business. And you can add this to your blog so that people can add you to their circles, which, as I mentioned in the intro, is going to improve your Google search results ranking significantly. And you can customize this to appear dark if you want to add some contrast to a white website. And you can also change the size. All you have to do is go to the Google developer site, and we have the link for you in the resources, and you just customize it to whatever you want. And there's like 7 or 8 different options, as you saw in the screenshot. And then you copy the code they give you, and you go into your WordPress dashboard. You go to Appearance on the left side. You go down to Editor, and then you just paste it. Just click on Footer once you go into the editor, and then paste it above the body. And then you just paste the other piece of code wherever you want the button to show up on your page. So really cool. It's free. And like I said in the intro, Google Plus ones are, as of 2014, the third most important factor with relation to the search rankings.